Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create multiple budgets in YNAB for side hustles. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are trying to create a new YNAB budget for a side hustle, you can simply open and log in into your YNAB app or website. Once you have done this, you can simply find the access to the budget menu. Here you can tap on the current budget that you are setting for, and once you have done this, you can simply delete it as well, or you can simply add a more budget by tapping on the plus icon. So once you have done this, you can simply follow the prompts to add or link at least one of the bank account to this new budget. It is crucial to use separate dedicated checking accounts for your side hustles to ensure clear separation from your personal account. So this will help you add a strict budgeting to your side hustles. So once the account is linked, you can start setting up specific income and spending categories for your side hustle in this dedicated budget. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.